Family problems can be difficult and painful, but there are ways to solve them and restore peace. It's important to approach family members calmly and wait until everyone is calm to discuss the problem. Avoid discussing the issue when you're still upset, as waiting allows you to approach it logically. In-person discussions are better than electronic communication, as tone can be misperceived. Accepting everyone's faults, including your own, is the first step in addressing long-standing problems. Avoid blaming and negative language, as it only escalates the argument. Instead, focus on finding solutions together and engaging in activities that bring fun and avoid triggering the problem. Forgiving family members and letting go of the past is crucial for building a healthier future. Identify the real problem and engage in self-analysis to better address it. Avoid assuming what others are thinking and instead have open and honest conversations.